working on this bit of body filler for the car, so now I've been sanding it down and filling in all the little crevices so that gradually it's becoming smooth now. Just been doing some more sanding of this area all along here. I got it about as smooth as I think I'm going to get it now. So that is now ready for the first stage of painting with the spray, which will be the spray-on primer. So I've got to get that ready and then I can do the spray. Now that's ready to start spraying. There's actually some imperfections on this area here because it did run. Paint was running and dripping a bit, so I might have to resand it down. We'll see about that bit, but the rest of it is coming out nice and smooth, so it's not going too badly. We'll see how it goes. Right, I've just spent a lot of time painting it and recoating it with the spray, so I think it's about ready now. So let's take these papers off Okay, let's just get that door open. Right, now we can have a good look at it. Down the length of it, so have a look along like that. That looks pretty good. The paint has been a good match. So let's have a look from another angle. There. So that looks pretty good. Remember, it's only this bottom piece which was damaged. That was all dinted quite badly. The door itself was fine. It's got a few scuff marks on it, but that's not too important. The main thing is this whole sill going along there now looks presentable again. So as I say, that's the finished job, and the paint, as I say, was good. It was a good match. Supposed to be the exact match of silver. So there we are. That's the finished job.